CAT level problems, CAT level questions. Now see here. Which of the following cannot be the, which of the following cannot be the area of a triangle? Which of the following cannot be the area of a triangle with perimeter 60 units? Which of the following cannot be the area of a triangle with perimeter 60 units? Options are 181, 190, right? Which of the following may be or cannot be is also the may be the, right? 171 and 174. Which of the following may be the area of a triangle with perimeter 60 units? Which of the following may be the area of a triangle with perimeter 60 units? Just now we discussed area of a triangle is maximum for an equilateral triangle. Area of a triangle is maximum for an equilateral triangle. A plus A, which is nothing but 60. 3A is nothing but 60. A is nothing but 20. Just now we discussed everything. After discussing the concept only, I will create a question. It is nothing but root 3 by 4 into side square. So root 3 by 4 into 400, which is 100 into 1.732. Answer is 173.2. That means maximum integer that is possible is 173. Anything greater than 173, it is not possible. So what will be the answer? Answer is which of the following may be less than 173 could be possible. Definitely option A, B and D are incorrect. If you observe such an easy concept, how the questions are framed in a CAT paper, so that you will find the paper difficult. If you do not, probably ignore this concept. Perimeter is given, area, can I use delta equivalent to R into S? All these weird thoughts will come into your mind. It's a very simple. For me, CAT exam is not a common admission test. It is a common sense admission test. Those who are extremely good in fundamentals has gotten extreme high chances of clearing their exams in the first attempt. That is the reason entire June month you should focus on building your concepts. It is like a building is strong only when the foundation is strong. Your foundation is extremely poor, then probably God can only help you. Anyway, God will help those who help themselves. If you do your best, God will take care of rest. If you don't do your best, God will take rest. As simple as that. Which of the following may be the area of a triangle with may be? Out of this four, may be. So first is right, second is wrong, first is wrong, second is wrong, third is wrong, fourth is wrong. Any value greater than 173 is not at all possible. Less than 173, it could be a possibility. Answer is 17. This is one question. That is the reason I discussed everything in detail. Second one, please write down. Is the area of right-angled triangle, is the area of right-angled triangle ABC greater than 25, greater than 25, AB equivalent to 6, AC equivalent to 10. Another beautiful question, sir. Almost everybody got this question incorrect. Is the area of right-angled triangle, angle B is 90 degrees. It is greater than 25. A typical CAT level question. It is a data sufficiency question. It is a data sufficiency question. What is the flowchart of data sufficiency question? First, you have to solve only statement A. Only statement A. If you are getting greater than one answer or you are not getting any answer, then you will go to only statement B. If you are getting no answer or greater than one answer, then you will combine statement A and B. Statement A and B. If you are getting no answer or greater than one answer, answer is cannot be determined uniquely. This is the flow chart one should follow while solving a data sufficiency question. Beautiful question it is, sir. Almost every time I conducted this question in the workshop when I was running classes, almost everybody does this question incorrect. Is the area of right angled triangle ABC, on the above there is a line. That means angle B is 90 degrees. Angle B is 90 degrees. What they will do is, I don't know from where they got this weird thought. First mistake student will do, it is 6, it is 10. So these 6, these 10. This will be 8. Half into 6 into 8, 24. 24 is not greater than 25. Answer is statement A and B. The first thing what students will do a mistake is, because they are so good in Pythagorean triplets, 6 and 10 they will combine. See here, combination of these two statements is happening. Combination of these two statements is happening only after you are doing only statement A and getting this answer, then doing only statement B and getting this answer. You cannot combine both the statements together without doing each statement independently. You cannot combine both the statements without doing each statement combinedly. This is a mistake. Statement A and B together, it is a mistake. Statement A and B together, it is a mistake. I hope it is clear. Now we will do statement A. AB equivalent to C. Right? What is the question that he is asking? Area of triangle ABC, is it greater than 25? Is it greater than 25? He said angle B is 90 degrees. If it is 90 degrees, this is A, this is B, this is C. This value is given 6. Suppose if I take value 1, this will become root 37. Half into 6 into 1, 3. 3 is not greater than 25. So answer will be no. If I take another value as 1, you can take any value. Suppose if it is 6, if I take another value as 100, half into 6 into 100, this is 300. 300 is greater than 25. I am getting answer yes. That means I am getting the answer. Sometimes yes, sometimes no. Sometimes yes, sometimes no. You are unable to determine which is the answer. That means statement 1 is giving you unable to answer. Unable to answer, right? Always. Sometimes yes, I am getting, sometimes no. So statement A alone is incorrect. Statement A alone is incorrect. If statement A alone is incorrect, what is the next one given? AC is given as 10. There is a hint in the question. The hint in the question is, it is a right angled triangle, so it is 90 degrees. Just now we discussed equilateral triangle will have a maximum area. Next it will be an isosceles triangle. In a right angled triangle, largest side is 10. So I can make other two x and x. So x square plus x square, which is nothing but 100. 2x square is nothing but 100. X is nothing but 5 root 2. X is nothing but 5 root 2. X is nothing but 5 root 2. This is 5 root 2 and it is 5 root 2. And it is 90 degrees. What is the maximum area? Maximum area that can be possible is half into 5 root 2 into 5 root 2. Answer is 25. That means if the hypotenuse value is 10, if the hypotenuse value is 10, the maximum area that can be possible is 25. What is the question that he is asking? He is asking, is the area of triangle ABC greater than 25. With hypotenuse 10, the maximum area that can be possible is 25. It cannot be greater than 25. Answer is definitely no, because the maximum area that can be possible is 25. It cannot be greater than 25. Answer is definitely I can answer this question by using statement B alone. By using statement B alone, right? By using statement B alone. Please, data sufficiency question, there is an algorithm to solve. First you have to check statement 1 alone. Then you have to solve statement B alone. Then only you can combine both the statements. Data sufficiency problem is not a problem, quantitative aptitude problem. In a quantitative aptitude, you will find the answer. In a data sufficiency problem, you cannot always find the answer. Students who probably want to solve some more problems in data sufficiency, go back and see the data sufficiency, the first video which I kept, either in the YouTube channel which is public or the edited file for the enrolled students. Answer for this question is, whenever you get unique and a definite answer, stop it. Please do not use Pythagorean triplet in hurry and solve the problem. First see the statement 1. Statement 1, more than one answer. Are unable to answer, go to statement 2. Statement 2, more than one answer. Are unable to answer, go and combine. Combine is, you will combine both the statements. When each statement is unable to give the answer or it is giving you more than one answer, please do not combine both the statement. Very, very good question based upon isosceles equilateral. Before question was on equilateral triangle and this question is on an isosceles right angled triangle. Equilateral triangle will have a maximum area. Then the maximum area in a chronological order is isosceles right angled triangle. Isosceles right angled triangle. I hope, Rajat, you have understood the right mistake that you did it. I hope it is clear. Sine rule. A by sine A equivalent to B by sine B equivalent to C by sine C.